Heather here with a fun science experiment for you to try. So this one's really simple for you to do. All you need is you can use a slice of bread, a hamburger bun, and you're gonna need 2 Ziploc baggies. So the way to start off is it's called the Clean Dirty Challenge for the bread. And you label one bag with clean and you label one bag with dirty. Now before you wash your hands, you're gonna make sure maybe you have went a couple of minutes or something without washing them, so you have a little dirt on them. And what you do is you just rub. So this is the dirty one, since my hands were dirty. You want to do the dirty one first, and you would just stick it in the bag, and you want to put it in a dark space. And then the clean one, you don't do anything with. You just take it and put it in the clean bag. Now it'll take some time. It'll take about a week or 2 for you to see some results, but it's still fun. Here's an example of the dirty one, which it was in there for like a good 3 weeks. So however you want to leave it, it'll be fun.